Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the photo in an editor that supports layers and healing tools. Duplicate the background layer so you can undo changes. This preserves the original. Then, zoom to 100% and pick a small healing or clone brush. This gives you control over fine edges. Use short strokes and sample adjacent pixels frequently. This matches texture and color. Once done with a first pass, hide the duplicate to compare, and make sure the emoji's hard edges begin to blend into the surrounding skin or surface. Now refine the area with layered approaches: healing for general color, clone for repeating texture, and patch for larger fills. Use frequency separation when fine detail or skin texture needs preserving. This separates color from detail so you repair each correctly. Alternate dodge and burn gently to match local lighting, and create a mask to feather the repair at 0. 5 to 2px so edges look natural. Once done, zoom out and then back in. This helps catch subtle seams you might otherwise miss. Finish by applying a subtle global color match and add 1 to 3% noise or grain to integrate the repaired patch with the camera's texture. Flatten a copy for export, but keep the layered file for edits. Compare the before and after at different sizes to ensure consistency. If you see a mismatch, undo to an earlier snapshot, increase your sampling radius, or run a content-aware fill on the troublesome zone. These steps usually fix haloing or repeated pattern issues. Make sure to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.